the STEM Racing Wireless Robotic Car kit. This is the final model. You can control this car using the remote. You can totally assemble it yourself. All these parts of this car and the remote are provided in this kit, and you can assemble it with the help of manual which will be provided in this kit. So with the help of that you can assemble the car and its remote, and there is also a lock for this. You can just lock it. So there are two buttons. You can control the car using